Okay, it's February 17, year 2009. I was about to assemble the boom of our Predator helicopter. Let me show you. I just finished there. It's almost finished, done. Install the servo. Okay. Now I'm about to assemble the tail boom. When I disassembled the tail boom, I have found out that the shaft guide is not centered. So and I noticed there's a black stripe on the middle part of the shaft guide. Okay, there's a lots of black stripe. So my theory is the shaft guide must have been moved off center, and the shaft guide must have been strap on the boom, so you can see the black stripe. Okay, so what my plan is, I'm plan to use glue and put a glue here, cyano here, a drop here, to avoid the shaft guide from moving back and forth. Okay, to avoid the touching of the shaft against the boom. Okay, to avoid the high frequency vibration. Okay, now I'm going to use where's my glue? There, my cheap cyano. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to remove the gearbox and re-grease it, clean it, then re-grease it again. Okay, there. Almost done. I already assembled the gear, landing gear. Okay, that's about it. Okay, we'll show you how to glue the shaft guide permanently on the center part of the shaft. Okay, here what the shaft look like. I put the 2 masking tape. Okay, to show its center, so you can still see the black stripe. Okay, then later I'm going to sand it off to make it rough. Okay, then apply a thin acrylic, cyano acrylic. Okay, we'll just use this there, acrylic. Then once it's dry, then you can tightly put the shaft guide over the center. Okay, let me show you. That's a shaft guide. It's about 27 mm. That's about 27 mm. There. Roughly about 27.5 mm there. Oh. Okay, we're going to secure it here. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue. Okay, that's about it. Okay, I was able to sand it off using a 400 grit sandpaper. Okay, it's now shining, very shining. And this is how it looked like before. Okay, before and after. Before, that's before. Let's see how close it is. Before and after. Okay, I'm going to drop a few cyano and acrylic. Cyano. There. A drop of cyano. Instant glue. Okay. Okay, after sanding off and putting the surface with the cyano, then you after the cyano have dried, then you slide the bushing in. It's quite difficult to slide the bushings, very hard because due to the cyano. Okay, after sliding in, then you put the cyano over this edge, okay, and the internal edge. This surely will secure the bushing. Okay, you can see the rough surface. Those are cyano, instant glue. Okay, here's the final look of my shaft guide. Okay, I drop thin cyano on its corner on the edge of the bushing there, and also over here. There I put the drop of cyano there. Very secure. Looks like it's impossible to move this shaft guide. Okay, because when I inserted this shaft guide on the tube, it's very loose. Okay, so better to secure it through the shaft, not through the boom. Okay, here's the technique. First, sand it off. After sanding, then you coat with acrylic cyano. Then after coating, then you sand it again. Then you slide the bushing in. Then you drop cyano on the edge of the bushing. There. Fully secure. This is a better way of securing the shaft guide. I guess in the first, the manufacturer, they just put a drop of cyano, which is easily dismantled due to the huge vibration of the engine. This is a proper way of doing it. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to assemble it now. Bye, thanks. Okay, when I opened the tail transmission gear, I found there's a 3 missing screw. Okay. Okay, this is a one screw, one missing screw, and 2 missing screw, and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah, okay, it's only 2 missing screw. So that's 1, 2. There. Oh no, it's 3. 1 screw, 1 missing, 2 missing, and oh, it's only 2 missing screw. Okay. Wait. There's only 3 screw. I thought it's 4. So 1, 2. So there are 2 missing screw. Okay, and it's important to have a 3 screw because this is a very huge torque. Loose screw can make your the whole helicopter spin. Okay, so there are only 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, that's about it. The gear is still new, quite new. Yeah.